Okay, let's unpack this. Imagine you want to keep your home warm and cozy, especially when it's chilly outside. We're taking a deep dive into boiler services today. And guess what? We found some really cool info from a local expert right in Port Moody.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, we're going to explore why getting help nearby is super important and, all the good things it does for your home and your wallet.
Right. And what's fascinating here is how much better things work when local experts really know your area. We'll see how their help can make your heating safer and, like you said, save you money.
So first things first, what exactly are boiler services? For someone who maybe hasn't thought much about it.
Okay, good question. Think of it like taking your car for a checkup, but for your home's heater. It means getting it fixed if it breaks, sure, but also keeping it running well, maybe putting in a new one.
Right, the whole package.
Exactly. And in a place like Port Moody, well, it gets cold in the winter, right?
Definitely does.
So local people who understand the weather here and the different kinds of houses we have, they can give you the absolute best help, which, makes you wonder, why does knowing the local climate make such a big difference?
Here's where it gets really interesting. Because the weather here actually changes how your heating system works. It's not the same everywhere.
Precisely. That local knowledge is key.
Okay, so some people might be thinking, why bother with regular checkups for my boiler? It seems to be working fine.
Yeah, I get that. But regular care for your boiler is actually a really big deal. It helps your heater work better, last longer, and super important, it keeps your energy bills lower.
Lower bills are always good.
Always. Plus, it keeps everyone safe,
Right.
Avoids nasty surprises, and it just makes your home feel extra comfy. Really, this is all about peace of mind. Knowing your heater probably won't break down right when you need it most, like in the middle of a cold snap.
That's huge. Nobody wants that.
No way. And connecting this to the bigger picture, it also means fewer big surprise repair costs down the road, too. Saves money long term.
Okay, that makes sense. So if someone's listening in Port Moody, how do they find someone good, someone local to help with their boiler?
Good question. You really want someone with lots of experience and good reports from other people right there in town.
Like word of mouth?
Kinda, yeah. Or online reviews from neighbors.
Yeah.
Look for folks who know Port Moody well. They'll understand the specific issues here. And actually, our deep dive today, a lot of this info comes from the experts over at the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. They have a whole page talking about boiler services in Port Moody. Your local experts really spells it out.
Okay. Pacific Blue Mechanical. Good to know the source.
Yeah. And it brings up a good point. Why are those good stories, those testimonials from other customers so important?
It builds trust, right? Shows they know what they're doing specifically here.
Exactly. It's proof they understand the local challenges.
Let's talk more about the money side. Can keeping your boiler healthy really save you noticeable money? And maybe even make your home worth more?
Oh, absolutely. No question. When your boiler works well, like really efficiently, it uses less fuel. Simple as that. That means lower heating bills. Sometimes, you could see maybe 20-30% less. That adds up fast.
Wow, 20-30% is huge.
It is. And think about selling your home later on. A new boiler, or even one that's clearly been well cared for with records to prove it. Buyers love that. It tells them they won't have a big expense right away. So yeah, it can help your house sell faster and maybe even for a bit more money. It's a real plus.
Okay, so wrapping this up. What this all means is taking care of your boiler, especially using local experts there in Port Moody. It means a warm home, a safer home, lower bills month after month, and maybe even more value for your property down the line. Lots of wins.
That's the bottom line. It's smart planning, which kind of raises an important question for you listening. Thinking about all these benefits, the comfort, the savings, the safety, what's maybe one small step you could take today just to check in on your home's heating system. Make sure it's working at its best for you.